Imagine this. It's 2025, and the financial system is crumbling before your eyes. Markets are crashing, banks are limiting withdrawals, and your paycheck feels smaller every month. The chaos is real. What's your plan? Are you ready to survive? Or are you scrambling to Google how to survive a financial crisis while the walls close in? Here's the good news. This doesn't have to be you. In this video, I'll give you a step-by-step guide to not only survive, but thrive during the next financial meltdown. By the end, you won't just feel prepared. You'll feel unstoppable. So, buckle up. Let's get started. Oh, and don't worry. This isn't another boring finance lecture. I'll keep it real, maybe even make you laugh. Let's dive in. Point 1. Spot the early warning signs. Every financial crisis starts with whispers before it becomes a roar. The key is spotting the early warning signs before everyone else does. Skyrocketing inflation, rising interest rates, mass layoffs, and corporate bankruptcies. They're like cracks in a dam. Once you see them, you know the flood isn't far behind. In 2008, banks like Lehman Brothers didn't collapse overnight. The warning signs were there for months. Risky lending, falling real estate prices, but most people ignored them. And here's the thing, those same signs are showing up in 2025. Are you paying attention? If the stock market dropped 20% tomorrow, would you A, panic, B, blame Wall Street, or C, keep watching this video to find out what to do? If you picked C, you're in the right place. But spotting the signs isn't enough. What good is knowing the storm is coming if you don't have an umbrella? Let's move to step 2. Point 2. Build a financial safety net. In a crisis, cash isn't just king, it's your lifeline. But here's the truth. Most people don't have enough saved to survive a month without their paycheck. During the Great Depression, those who had cash didn't just survive, they thrived. They bought land, stocks, and businesses for pennies on the dollar. Automate your savings, cut unnecessary expenses, and aim to save 3 to 6 months of living costs. Think of it as your financial apocalypse fund. Because let's face it, no one wants to be that guy trading canned beans for gas money. But here's the problem. Cash won't help you if inflation eats it alive. So, what should you do with your money instead? Let's move to step 3. Point 3. Invest in crisis-resistant assets. When the markets collapse, the rules of the game change. So, how do you protect your wealth? Gold, silver, and inflation-protected bonds hold their value when everything else crumbles. But there's more. Think healthcare stocks, utilities, or discount retailers. Sectors people rely on even in a downturn. And here's the kicker. In every crisis, there's opportunity. Stocks, real estate, and even businesses go on sale. Imagine buying assets today that could triple in value once the recovery begins. But let's not get carried away thinking money solves everything. Because in a financial crisis, there's one investment that outperforms them all. And most people completely ignore it. Let's talk about that in step 4. Point 4. Invest in yourself. Here's a truth most people overlook. Your greatest asset isn't your money. It's you. During the Great Recession, people who knew how to adapt, whether through learning new skills, starting side hustles, or pivoting careers, didn't just survive, they thrived. Learn recession-proof skills, build multiple income streams, and master negotiation. In 2025, your job might be at risk, but opportunities to grow will be everywhere. Will you be ready to grab them? Or will you be Googling how to make money fast at 2 a.m. while eating a bowl of cereal? Don't be that person. Now, even if you've got your finances and skills in order, there's one last piece of the puzzle, something no one survives a crisis without. Let's talk about that in step 5. Point 5. Build a crisis-proof network. No one survives a crisis alone. The stronger your network, the better your chances of thriving when everything falls apart. Example, think of entrepreneurs during the pandemic. Those who had strong partnerships, mentors, or communities adapted faster and grew stronger while others collapsed. Build relationships with like-minded individuals. Join online communities and support others who will support you. In times of crisis, it's not just what you know, but who you know that determines your survival and your success. Now you have the blueprint. The only question is, will you act before the storm hits? Every financial crisis has 2 groups of people, those who panic and those who profit. Which one will you be in 2025? The next step is yours. Start preparing today. Because while most people see a crisis as the end, you'll see it as the beginning of something incredible. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more insights. The storm is coming, but you're ready for it.